your favorite fucking human's back. My whole wardrobe. Also definitely wouldn't say I'm a pro packer. I'm a little bit stressed. Guys, we're starting to move. Also, your favorite fucking human's back. We're starting to move, and this is how many garbage bags we have of clothes that I'm giving away. I was gonna film it to like try the stuff on, but I didn't try anything on. So I just, if I hadn't worn it in a while, it's going in one of these bags. Check me out on Depop. It's all going on there. This is a big moment of truth here. Don't attend any workout class anymore. Like, what do I need from here? I think I'm finally gonna give these gray ones up.
What do you mean finally? What are they?
I've had them for a really long time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I've never seen you wear them.
Yeah, exactly. What are these?
They feel like the same thing.
Yeah, I don't know. These are my golf shorts, so I gotta keep those for the one time I golf a year.
Oh no. Just do it. Just do it.
Okay, I'm gonna do sports ones first.
Okay, what was that?
Crop tops. We did a huge purge. If you saw my story, we had 5 big bags. So lots of shoes are gone. Not really that many bags. I actually don't own that many bags. And then, I mean, you can see like a lot of hangers are empty now. In here, you know, like, it was pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself. I think last time I purged, I only had like 1 or 2 garbage bags, and I did like 5 or 6. So pretty great. I'm showing you my bedroom now. I mean, I cut my jeans collection in half. You can see there's lots of empty hangers. So overall, I'm proud of myself. I have a shoot, so I'm just putting on some makeup, and then I'm going to my new apartment because I'm gonna shoot something there with my friend Andrew, and just some creative stuff, really. And yeah, that's on that. But I have to film a story first. I'm gonna make a smoothie. But let's put on some mascara. Also, I just want to note that these products are so amazing. This Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint, so good. And this mascara, Kojen Dough. Wow, so good. It got on Revolve, amazing. I'm stupid and forgot my vlog camera, but I just came to, this is my new apartment. So we're doing a shoot. The light is so good in here that we're shooting in here, which is crazy. I've never had that. And I'm gonna walk you through some things. I don't know if I've done this in the last vlog. I know I gave you an apartment tour, but. So everything, like, it needs a paint job. Obviously every place you move into needs a paint job. This yellow wall is gonna go. This Banksy decal, I think it's a decal. Yeah, decal has got to go, not my vibe. This is such a great room, and I think it's not like utilized properly, because like these suck with the barriers. Like, you just lose so much space. So, and also, why is this closet gray? I literally don't know. So I'm gonna paint it all white, and then I'm going to do custom IKEA shelves probably in there, like the closets. There's some things that clearly need to be fixed. All this tile has got to go. I don't even know how to turn the light on, but like, you know, not great. There's some like mold, it looks like, and like some rust. So this will all be ripped out. This is gonna go. I'll probably get a new toilet up here too. Just the whole thing. This building was built like almost 10 years ago. So like, I think 7 years ago. And this is all, no one's renovated it. I also think that these curtains, from my research, have been here since the beginning. So those definitely have, because like, what is going on here? So get some new curtains. I'm gonna paint this black. I'm gonna paint the stairs black and not gray. It's gonna look so good when there's a nice fresh coat of paint. I'm gonna take these down, obviously, they just left them. Yeah, I actually am gonna do all of the renovations at once, I've decided, because I found someone who will do it in my budget. It's just gonna be easier to just do all the renovations at once. I do know what I want. I was gonna wait to, this is the kitchen, and I know a lot of people were asking like why I would renovate the kitchen, because it does look great. There's a crack in the countertop. I'm not like a huge fan of these, and I would like a full-size stove. because I'm a chef now. But mostly, actually, I'm gonna flip you around. Mostly because I think that we could utilize space better. So the kitchen, oops, is like this with an island little thing there, but this island doesn't even have an overhang, so you can't put stools here. So ideally, I'm going to start the kitchen on this wall. It's going to come around like this, and then I'm gonna come around to here. I'm gonna waterfall it over here, the new countertop. I'm gonna overhang this so that I can put bar stools here because there isn't too much room for a table. Obviously I do work from home and I am very aware that I work on the ground a lot, but having a table is nice to eat. Okay, photographer's here, let's go. He's actually not here yet, so I'll just run over a few other things. So this is the guest bathroom, and I'm gonna also rip this all out. It's so little, but I think we could do something really, really cute for a good budget. Again, you know, like it just needs some revamping here, but what I have in mind is wainscoting, wallpaper, fun floor, just a sink with like brass legs, fun mirror, light here. And I think it's gonna be really, really cute. And I love a good powder room. So here's the den. Well, okay, this is the front hall closet, and then this is the den, which if you can believe in Toronto, this is a den, but it'll work. So I'm gonna remove this bulkhead here, and then I'm going to remove all of this, and I'm gonna do IKEA closed closets all down here, all here, all here, all here, all here, all here, and then this whole room is gonna be closed doored IKEA cabinets, so we have a ton of storage, because right now this is kind of weird. So I'm really excited to do that. And yeah, those are the renovations I'm doing. I'm also redoing the floors. I'm really excited to renovate. It's a little overwhelming, obviously. I've never done this before, but the boyfriend he's renovated 2 restaurants and his own apartment. So I'm getting a lot of good tips and tricks and using some of his contacts. And that's the fire alarm thing. And I don't know how to change the battery. So usually I don't know what I would do. Call someone. I own this now, so who do I call? I don't know, my dad. It's also so high on the ceiling. I have no idea how I'm supposed to get up there to change the battery. Scary. Scary in here. Happy Tuesday. Had some calls and stuff this morning, and now that's what I'm wearing. Can you see? Very short skirt, but it's fine. I am going to my new place again and shooting a photo. And then I have to go to the mall because I have to get a book. And just, you know, everyday kind of stuff. But we're gonna take you along, obviously, because we vlog every day. I don't know why I explained to you what I'm doing or why I'm vlogging, because you obviously know why I'm vlogging. All right. My whole wardrobe and life. Sasha packed today, so I wasn't gonna like film her packing. So it's like she doesn't need that. So she packed all these boxes today. I was on calls and stuff, so I'm glad I got that done. I mean, we still have a ton more to go. That's my bag that I'm gonna live out of. This is garbage. Still have to do the kitchen, but my closet is fully empty, pretty much. Still like a few things, like need to do my jewelry, need to empty this out still. That's empty. I'm gonna have to sell those things. And my bedroom is also empty. Yeah, closet's fully empty. Guys, I lived here for literally 6 months. It's so crazy. Not happy about it. So that's how packing's going. When I pack the kitchen, I'm gonna like time lapse and stuff, but yeah. Oh, I'm using Frogbox, not sponsored, but I used them like 2 moves ago, and it's pretty much like an eco-friendly way to move. I think it's like in Ontario maybe. They drop off the boxes, you pay a fee for how long you have them for, and then they pick them up, which is great because I really don't want to get rid of cardboard. And when I had to get rid of all those cardboard boxes before, it was like such a nightmare. So I actually love this because breaking down 100 cardboard boxes is awful. I'll probably still get a few boxes. I don't know if I actually got enough, so I'll probably have to get a few cardboard boxes. But if you're moving, Frogbox is epic. Highly recommend. Yeah, I fully forgot I was vlogging. I think I showed you that. Those are all my clothes, and then I'm just doing the kitchen now. So I just have plates and stuff in that, and then I'm just doing this one. This is all my stuff that I'm taking with me that I want easy access to. Moving sucks. My ear is like clogged or something. I don't know. But yeah, we're just gonna do the kitchen until this battery runs out. Also, definitely wouldn't say I'm a pro packer. Just trying my best. Hopefully things don't break. Packing all my cutlery like this. I don't know. All right, fully packed up, ready for the movers. I'm selling this rug. The movers are gonna take all this stuff down. The movers are obviously gonna deal with all that. All the boxes are here. Bed is gone, I sold it. Movers will take all of that. Everything's out, we're good. We're moving tomorrow. I can't believe like I was here for literally 10 months, like crazy. It feels like no time, but it also feels like such a long period of time because of like the time of my life, what was happening, you know. It was like breakup, all that, kind of finding this place, and then like Corona. So I feel like I spent a lot of time in this apartment, probably more time in this apartment than I did in my last apartment, even though I was at my last apartment for maybe 6 months, so it's great. Yeah, I'm gonna pack up my stuff. I'm gonna head back to Jonathan's. That's where I'm living for the current time. I'll probably be living there for like a month because I'm renovating my place, and so renovations haven't started yet, so I'll show you my closet situations and my little setup at his house. But this is all being moved to my new place.
When we go to your place, I need to ask them what it's.
I'm a little bit stressed. Oh my god. Okay, so that's all the stuff, mostly. And then the mattress is up here. Some stuff there, some stuff there, some stuff here. I was gonna renovate while the stuff was in here. This is too much. The lighting though is great. I'm starving, haven't eaten all day. Yeah, so as you know, or could tell, I did not move myself. I paid I paid a moving company to do it because I have a lot of stuff, obviously. And so I packed up all the stuff in the frog boxes and then they just moved it. Couch, they like wrap your artwork. They're so amazing. They've moved me twice in the last year. And I use Augusta movers. So I highly recommend if you're moving in Toronto to use them because they are so professional. They are, I mean, this one took quite a lot longer. We had some hiccups, but mostly with like the elevator and stuff, but they wrap all your artwork, they wrap your TV, like they're just really great. And I mean, they moved me twice and it was 2 different crews of people. I didn't have the same people, and amazing. So if you're looking for movers in Toronto, I highly recommend Augusta movers, and you can put me as your recommendation just in case I move again. Maybe I'll get a discount on my 3rd move with them. Yeah, so all my shit's in here and I'm starving and I'm gonna go eat and I'm gonna go sit on the ground in the shower. I'm obviously not living here right now. Sorry, I'm like looking at all this stuff and I'm like, why do I own so much stuff? And I don't even feel like I mean, I have a lot of clothes, obviously, but I gave away half my clothes and I feel like I don't have that much stuff. So I'm like, what? I don't know. It's just a lot when you like look at it all together. And I'm like, what if you owned like a 3-bedroom house or like a 2-bedroom house and you had kids? Like, how much shit do you have? It's just a lot. I feel like this every time I move though. I'm like, too much. Anyway, I'm starving, getting a little hangry. I guess this is the end of moving vlog 1. This is gonna be spread out over so long, and I feel like this always happens in my life. Like, I see Alana's moving vlogs and she has like 2 and then she's done and I'm like, jealous. But mine are gonna be spread out because obviously I had to move everything here. I mean, I have to go to my place tomorrow and like do the walkthrough with my landlord. But then we're gonna go into renovation vlogs, so it'll be all that. And then there'll be my renovation vlogs, and then there'll be moving vlogs when we like have to put everything back. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but that's all that. And we're gone. And now I can show you how close I was to the street. Literally, that was the street. This is like a pretty busy road, especially Thursdays to Sundays. It was very loud, but happy. My new place is very quiet. Yeah, very, very close to the street. Like, could talk to someone. Actually, I did used to stand on this. This is my little balcony that I had. I never went out there once. Talked to my friend who was standing there during quarantine.